students of class 11B are here to demonstrate a simple activity on the concept indifference curve of economics. I would like to call Nidhi to explain what is indifference curve.
Indifference curve refers to the graphical representation of various alternative combinations of bundles of two goods among which the consumers are indifferent.
Now I would like to call Aditi to explain the ordinal approach of which the indifference curve is a part.
The real elaboration of the indifference curve was made by J.R. Higgs and R.G.D. Allen. J.R. Higgs and R.G.D. Allen together wrote the article of a reconstruction of theory of value in 1934. They expressed that the ordinal utility approach is more realistic and improved than cardinal utility approach, which is meaning utility expressed in terms of ranks.
Now we will demonstrate the concept with a simple activity. In this activity, we are using two commodities, commodity A, dairy milk, and commodity B, 5-star. In combination A, we have 1 unit of dairy milk and 9 units of 5-star. Now if I want to get one more additional unit of dairy milk, then I will have to sacrifice 4 of 5-star. This will be our combination B. In order to get one more unit of dairy milk, now I will sacrifice only 2 5-star. And in order to gain one more unit of dairy milk, now I will sacrifice only 1 5-star. This is our combination D. Now this happens because of a concept called MRS. MRS is the rate at which a commodity can be substituted with each other so that the ultimate satisfaction remains the same. You can see that I have sacrificed less and less units of 5-star. Why? Because of the concept called MRS. MRS always falls because of the law of diminishing marginal utility, called in short the law of DMU. Now I would like to call Suhani to explain the law of DMU.
Gaussian's first law of consumption, that is, law of diminishing marginal utility, states that as we consume more and more units of commodity, the utility derived from each successive unit goes on decreasing.
Now these are the different combinations we saw just a minute before. Now I would like to call two consumers to present their views on each of the combination. This is combination A, combination B, combination C, and combination D.
Wow, there are lots of variety of chocolates.
Yes, they look incredible.
I think I like 5 stars and dairy milk equally, so I'll choose this combination C.
I like dairy milk small, so I'll choose combination mid.
Are you out of your mind? They are both equal. You should choose this.
No, I like dairy milk small. I'll choose combination mid. This gives me more satisfaction.
Stop fighting, guys. You have chosen your combination on your own taste and preferences. This all combination gives equal satisfactions. Now we are depicting this activity with help of schedule. Now we can see we have here 4 combinations. First combination is 1 dairy milk and 9 5-stars. In order to gain one more dairy milk, we have to sacrifice 4 5-stars. In order to gain an additional unit of dairy milk, we have to sacrifice 2 5-stars. And in order to gain one more additional unit of dairy milk, we have to sacrifice 1 5-star. So we can see MRS is continuously decreasing because of law of diminishing marginal utility applies.
Now we will represent the above schedule with the help of a diagram. In this diagram, we have dairy milk, the gaining commodity on the x-axis, and the sacrificing commodity, the 5-star, on the y-axis. We have seen in the schedule that we are sacrificing lesser and lesser number of 5-star to gain one additional unit of dairy milk. And we can observe that this curve is the indifference curve, which is downward sloping and convex in nature.
Thank you.